Hey guys, it's Clinton and welcome to the Only Profit Academy. And today I'm going to be scalping the Euro JPY, and I'm going to be buying the Euro JPY to that price, expecting the market to go all the way to that price. And this is an Only Profit Academy method to trade. I deposited $100,000 in this account to show you guys how to scalp the market and consistently make profits. I'm going to be taking this account to $1 million, so pay attention, pay very close attention to where I just placed my take profit. That is the price where the banks are going to be taking the market to in a bit. So everything looks good. I'm in the trade already. Let's see what the market has in store for us today, and hopefully this trade hits my take profit. You can see I made 5% in one trade on the previous trade I took on the account. Everything looks good, and I'm gonna get back to you guys in a bit. Boom, there we go. How do I consistently make profit trading the forex market? It's because I am aware of my trading environment. I understand every pair I am trading perfectly. The Euro JPY has been on a buy trend, as you can see. So all I had to do was to figure out when and where to follow the current trend to profit. And that is what my system helped me do right now. And as you can see, I made $9,000, over $9,000 on one trade, simply by looking at the market from a superior level of understanding. And I've made close to 15% of this account in one trade successfully. You need to understand that as far as trading goes, the only limitation you have is the amount of knowledge you have access to. You will not see me tearing down charts on Trading View and just carrying you guys along on trades that I know you guys will never take. You see me actually make profits. You see me making money right in front of you almost every time, because I can do it. I don't need to give you guys any theory about the market. I am showing you that I have perfected my understanding of the market, and I can make money consistently in a market where 99% fail. Time waits for nobody. You can keep playing around the market, keep following your fake mentors and their trading view analysis, or you can learn from someone that puts his money where his mouth is. Someone that can say something, someone that can explain a system and show a system to you and actually trade that system and make money. If you want to copy my trades and make consistent profits with myself and the team, maybe make it as some sort of a residual income and make profits consistently, you can send me a message, and you can just copy my trades and leave the market with profits effortlessly with myself and the team. And if you want to understand how I look at the market, how I consistently make money trading the market, you can get the course. And the course is currently on a 25% discount. I mean, all memberships on the website are currently on a 25% discount. So this is the best time for you guys to actually get it, because when it's off discount, it's totally off discount. So okay, someone is waiting for me in the lobby. Okay, let me round this up, guys. Yeah, so if you want to get the course, you can visit the website too. If you want to know how to get connected to the trade copy and leave the market with profit with myself and the team, you can also send an email. Clinton signing out. $14,000 made in over $14,000 made in 2 trades scalping my system. And yeah, go ahead and like and subscribe so you can get to see more videos like this and actually understand how the market works. Make sure you like and share these videos with other traders that you feel like this might actually also help them in their journey of learning how to trade. Clinton signing out from Miami. Once again, like, share, and subscribe. And hey guys, have a nice one.